Hi, I'm Brian from Outside Van, and I'm going to walk you through the Rixens MCS-6 controller and its proper usage. This controller is used on a number of our vans that feature the Espar hydronic diesel heating system. The system provides cabin heat with a multi-speed fan, along with providing hot water to the galley and or shower, and in some cases, our outside van heated floors. The control panel can be a little tricky, so I'm here to walk you through it. Let's dive in. To turn on the control panel, press the power button on the top left. Hit the power button again to engage your heat. On the bottom right, you will choose your heat source. If you're plugged into shore power, select the electric option. If you're unplugged, choose furnace. The combination of furnace and electric heat sources can be used. The electric element can provide 1500 watts, which can be supplemented with the furnace's 1300 to 5000 watts if the temperature drops low enough that the electric cannot keep up with the demand. If the demand for heat is satisfied by the electric heat source, then the furnace heat setting won't need to start. With electric and furnace selected, the furnace will be on standby until needed. Above and below the power button is your temperature control. If you've run into problems changing your temperature, you're not alone. To adjust your temperature up or down, you need to hold your finger on one of the arrow buttons. After around 2 seconds, the set temperature display will blink and change from blue to white. At that point, you can change the cabin temperature at 1 degree per tap. After 4 seconds of inactivity, the color will change to blue and the buttons will then be locked again. Think of it as a fingerprint scan prior to changing your temperature. On the right, you will have 5 fan speed selection options to customize your experience. I personally tend to use a lower speed to conserve power and avoid the fan from turning on and off. And now the constant heat hot water setting. On the bottom left of the control panel is this button. When turned on, your selected heat source will keep the boiler hot. The time it takes to heat your water is determined by the temperature of the environment you're in. In warm temperatures, you can get heat production quickly. However, in colder temperatures, think about heating up your system well ahead of time. You would run this mode if you're taking a shower or hot water to do dishes in the summer without heating the van and running the fan. If you have any questions about the procedures covered in this video, please email our service and warranty department at service@outsidevan.com. See you on the outside.